before versus after.
Hey guys, this is Rummy. I decided to renovate my home a second time. I added a very complex design on top of my recent floor. As you can see it here as in currently showing my house. IBTW added a voice cause I just realized that my text at my recent videos were too fast to read. So I just kind think that this will help that problem and help with reading. Hey guys, this is Rummy. I'm now going to show the official tour of my renovated home. As you can see, it's very beautiful and homemade. This is the full look. The fence is recolored, not the color you were expecting at the thumbnail. Let's get right into the point of the video and go inside. This is the rooftop garden I toured, if you watched my recent video.
I added some hanging lights. Movie aesthetic vibes.
More hanging lights. Now finally, the full floor of the house. This is actually a yoga room, and I'd what more rooms I could possibly add still lower.
Keep calm and do yoga.
When you do yoga, you will be gifted a beautiful view here.
It's a very nice view.
I agree.
You can even do ball, or ball-ike what to call it. And you'll still be gifted by a beautiful view over the horizon.
And an extra chilling lounge for when you're tired. But don't worry, there's benches inside the yoga room, just not comforting as this one. I added architectural design of change the top roof into grass. And extra tree decor so it feels more tropical and summer vibes. That'll be all I will be showing today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next encounter.